Bitcoin is surging. Again. But this time, it's different. We're not just talking hype. Behind the scenes, some of the biggest players in the world, BlackRock and even the Japanese government, are making moves. Quietly. Strategically. And it looks like they're betting on Bitcoin hitting six figures. The signs are everywhere. Whales are active. Institutions are stacking. And global policies are shifting. The writing's on the wall, and if you're not watching closely, you're going to miss what could be the biggest crypto run we've ever seen. Stick around, because what we're about to show you will change how you see this bull market. Segment 1. Bitcoin price surge. Bitcoin just blasted past, insert current price, and the rally shows no signs of slowing. Every dip is getting bought up instantly. Every resistance level blown through. The momentum here isn't coming from TikTok traders or Reddit threads, it's smart money positioning for what's next. On-chain analytics show increasing activity from long-term holders, wallets that don't flinch during volatility. And with less BTC hitting exchanges and more being locked away in cold storage, this rally is built on something far more solid than hype: conviction. What we're seeing now is Bitcoin growing up, becoming part of the global financial system. Segment 2. BlackRock's Bitcoin strategy. Let's talk about BlackRock. When a $10 trillion asset manager changes its stance on crypto, you listen. BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF, ticker IBIT, has seen jaw-dropping inflows since launch. We're talking billions in assets under management in just months. And this isn't just about offering a product. BlackRock is actively integrating Bitcoin into the broader financial ecosystem. They're lobbying regulators. They're building infrastructure. Furthermore, they're talking about tokenization. Larry Fink now describes Bitcoin as an international asset that can be part of a diversified portfolio. Translation: they're normalizing Bitcoin for the traditional investor, and they're not doing it for fun. They see long-term upside. Serious upside. Segment 3. Japan's quiet crypto shift. Meanwhile, across the Pacific, Japan is making quiet but calculated moves into the Bitcoin space. The country that once was home to Mt. Gox and heavy-handed regulation is now embracing digital assets in a surprising pivot. Earlier this year, Japan eased rules allowing investment funds and trust banks to hold crypto. Major financial firms like Nomura and SBI have already launched crypto-focused services. Japan's government pension fund, the largest in the world, is reportedly studying Bitcoin as a potential reserve asset. Why? Inflation. A weakening yen. Economic uncertainty. Japan's institutions are searching for resilience. Unlike the rest of the world, they're starting to see Bitcoin not as a gamble, but as a shield. Segment 4. Why $100,000 isn't just hype. So is $100,000 Bitcoin just a dream? Not anymore. It's a target, and the data backs it up. Let's break this down. The 2024 halving slashed Bitcoin's new supply in half from 900 BTC a day to just 450. Meanwhile, US spot ETFs alone are absorbing multiple times that every single day. That's a supply crunch in real time. Glassnode data shows record low exchange reserves. Scarcity is intensifying. And with sovereign entities like Japan and financial juggernauts like BlackRock buying in, we're entering a supply-demand imbalance that could launch BTC to six figures and beyond. This isn't a meme. It's math. And the charts don't lie. Segment 5. What this means for you. So what does this all mean for you? This is one of those rare moments in financial history where everything aligns. Institutional adoption. Global instability. Fiat currency concerns. And a digital asset that's proving itself, again and again, as a viable alternative. You don't need to go all in. But ignoring it entirely, that's a risk too. Even a small allocation now could look brilliant in the next 12 to 24 months. Be smart. Do your research. Understand what's happening under the surface. Because the future of finance is being reshaped in front of our eyes, and Bitcoin is leading the charge. Bitcoin is no longer the outsider. It's the asset that banks, funds, and nations are now seriously considering. And if BlackRock and Japan are buying in, maybe it's time the rest of us paid closer attention. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new, smash that like button, subscribe for more deep dives, and drop a comment. Where do you think Bitcoin will be by the end of this year? Until next time, keep your eyes open, your strategy sharp, and your mind on the macro.